4.
5 minus 8.
Number 2.
3, 8 minus 7, 6.
Hold your pencil properly. It's the only two. 3. Read. 7, 4 minus 9, 2. 4 is not enough. 4 is minus 6. Add 10. 9 minus 9. 2. Okay. For number 4, you have to recite the formula.
What is recite?
You have to say the formula. Okay? Number 4. 6 minus 1, 5 minus 6. Do. 6 minus 1. Wait. Again.
6
No. Again. 6 minus 1, 5 minus 6. 6 minus 1. 5 is not enough. 5 is
minus 5
add 10. Minus 6. Minus 6 is minus 10 add 4. So 5. 1, 6, 8 minus 7. 1, 6, 8 is not enough. 8 is minus 2 add 10. Minus 7 is minus 10 add 3. All of you should recite the formula, not only me. Okay. Number 5.
8, 5 minus 9 minus 3.
Do.
8, 5 is not enough. 5 is minus 5 add 10. Minus 9 is minus 10 add 1.
Minus 3.
Minus
Minus 3.
Minus 3 is minus 3.
Okay. 7. 9 minus 6. 7 minus 8. 9 minus 6. 7. 7 is not enough. 7 is minus 3 add 10. Minus 8 is minus 10 add 2. Number
8.
8.
8, 7 minus 6, 3. 8, 7 is not enough. 7 is minus 3 add 10.
Minus 6.
6 is minus 10 add 4.
3.
3 is not enough. 3 is minus 7 add 10.
Number 9. Read. 7, 5 minus 9, 7. 7. 5
is not enough. 5 is minus 5 add 10.
minus 9.
9 is minus 10 add 1. 7 is not enough. 7 is minus 3 add 10.
Number 10.
9, 8 minus 7 minus 6. 9, 8 is not enough. 8 is minus 2 add 10. Minus 7 is minus 10 add 3. No, I think minus 7 is already minus. Yeah.
Next.
Minus 7 is
Minus 6.
Minus 6 is minus 10 add 4.
For column B, start 10 to 1. Do it by yourself. In column B. 1. Start from 10, going to number 1. Lista. Starting from 10, going to 1. Lista. Starting from number 10, going to number 1. So, the half of the half was colored.
Can it be any half?
Yeah, it's up to you.
Should we also draw that line, the T?
It's up to you. So, the half was cut into half. So, what we did is 1/2 of 1/2, right? Done? So what would be the answer? The 1/2 of 1/2. What's the answer? Huh? 1/4 or 1/4. Is equal to 1/4 or 1/4. Now, what do you mean by product? If you're going to change this, off means to multiply. 1/2 times 1/2. Multiply the numerator times the numerator. 1 times 1 is equal to what?
1.
Wait, 2. 1. 2 times 2 is equal to?
4.
Is our illustration correct? Whoop.
Yes.
Do you understand the product of a proper fraction?
But how come in the addition, subtraction, and the rest that we learned a few days ago, we cannot do the bottom, the denominators?
You cannot add different denominator. Why? Why do you think you cannot add the unlike denominator?
Because it's not the same thing.
Yes. If I have 1/3 of pizza, this is 1/6. If I put them together, how can I tell what would be the denominator of this?
By times the...
So, we still need to change the denominator so they would have the same and before you can add it. In multiplication, it's different. This is what we did. You get the half of the half. So 1/2 of 1/2 is equal to 1/4. You just need to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay. Next. Using your paper again, the other side.
This side?
Yes. Could you please color 3/4?
Different color?
Yes, color 3/4 of it.
So we have to use different colors?
The back part, color 3/4 or 3/4. You don't really need to make it, just shade it. Shade the 3/4. That's okay. What does 3/4 mean?
4.
Just shade it. You don't really need to make it detailed.
Just use this one.
It's okay if you want to use.
Okay, I'm done.
Did you color?
No, I shade.
Oh, shade it.
Me too.
Finish?
I'm lost. Same color?
It's up to you. I didn't give. Ooh, I have this. Finish?
No, yes.
Okay. I did it in 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how I did it. So 1, 2, 3. So I will color the 3 out of 4.
Oh,
Okay?
oh.
Now we need to get the 3 out of 4 of 1/2. How are we going to get 3 out of 4 of 1/2? Without multiplying it yet. Using this. You need color the half. Color the half of this. Huh?
4.
If this is the half of 3 out of 4, I will color it. How many?
Half of.
Huh?
Yeah, 1 second. Once.
Yes, it's 3 out of 8. Because the 1/2, the 3 out of 4 of 1/2 is equal to 3 out of 8. If you're going to multiply 3 out of 4, off means times 1/2. Numerator to numerator, 3. 4 times 2 is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 equal parts. And get the half of 3 out of 4 is 3 out of 8. Do you understand?
No.
Which part you don't understand? From where? Here. The 3 out of 4, you shade it. The 3/4. You don't change. You multiply. It's the same. 3 times 1. 4 times 2, which is 3 out of 8. Calista, which part you don't understand? You shade the 3 out of 4, right? 1, 2,
Oh, but I
3.
shaded it like this.
It doesn't matter, even though you did it like that, you just need to half each of the quarter.
So we fold it like that.
Yeah, and it's the same thing.
Like this.
Yes. Yes, L.
I don't understand how to look at this one and
Okay. 6 out of 28 or what? Simplest form. Simplest form.
3 out of 14.
Huh?
3 out of 14.
3 out of 14. There is, okay, wait, what? Let's do it out. This is 6 out of 28. Then you have to change it into simplest form. It's 3 out of 14, right? There is another way using cancellation. 2 out of 7 times 3 out of 4. These 2 and 4 can be divided by 2, right?
Yes.
So 2 divided by 2 is
1.
1. 4 divided by 2 is
2.
2. 1 times 3 is 3. 7 times 2 is 14. It's the same. You don't need to change it in simplest form.
What's the reason I must do the shading part?
The shading part is just for you to understand what does it mean by 3 out of 4 of 1/2. Like this one. 1/2 of 1/2. You see already that the 1/2 of 1/2 is 1/4. That's just for you to imagine what does it mean of 1/2 of 1/2. Well, you will look at it.
But look at that. See, it's 3 out of 8, right? But you shaded 6 out of 8.
Yes, no. But this part is different. I'm just saying this. That's why I have them. I didn't say all of them, but that's why I have them, just to show these 3 parts of everything. Okay, I'll give another example using cancellation. Question. Wait, 4 out of 5 of 2/3. This you don't need cancellation for this. Numerator,
8, 15.
yeah. 8 over 15. Do you need to do it in simplest form? Lana?
No. No.
How did I get 8 out of 15?
You times the 5 and the 3, the 4 and the 2, and then after you finish times the 4 and 2, then you times 5 by 2.
Okay. Next. Another example. Okay. 2/3 times 4 out of 6. Can you use cancellation here?
Yes.
Huh?
What do you mean by cancellation?
Lana, like for this 5 and 2, if you're going to think of a number that you can divide with 5 and 2, like 2 can be divided into 2, but is 2 can be divided into 5 without any. So you cannot. How about 4 and 3? Can you think of a number that you can divide with 4 and 3? One number. No. No. So like this one, 3 and 4. Can you divide 3 and 4? Think of a number that you can divide without any remainder.
Okay.
How about 2 and 6?
Yes.
What number?
3.
Huh?
3 and
2. If you're going to say 3, 3 cannot be divided with 2.
No,
Only one number.
I meant the answer.
So, using 2, 2 divided by 2 is
1 and 3.
1. And 6 divided by 2 is
3.
3. 1 times 4, Sean, what are you doing?
4 and 9.
You don't need to do it in simplest form. Okay, any question for product of proper fraction? No? No question?
Miss Karen, how about that you said that the thing that product thing? How about the 3 and 3 equals still
So if we have like 3 out of 4,
is equals to blah blah blah.
and this is times 1 out of 3.
3 and 3
Yes, 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, and 4 times 1 is 4.
How about the other one that was said equals to 4 times 9? I thought 3 and 3 would be 1.
I'm sorry?
Over the 2 out of 3 times
This part. What do you mean?
1. 3 and 3 is still 1.
You can do cancellation with this because 3 and 4 you cannot use a number. Calista and Andrea, if you're not interested, you may go out. Okay? Thank you. So 3 and 4, do you really need to? Can you think of a number that you can divide? No. 2, 3, 4, 5, you can. Any more question? Okay, ready for the exercise. Number 1. Lana, do you have any questions before we start?
Is when you do the corresponding number?
Okay, you may do this one. You may use the cancellation if you know how to do it. But you may use also the long method if you want. So the long method, if it's like 3 out of 4 times 1/3, 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 3 is 12, but then you still need to make it simplest form, Lana, which is 1 out of 4. This is the long method and this is the cancellation. Jay, question. Okay. Number 1.
Write it down in your notebook.
Yes.
What you said, just write it down.
Number 1 is 1 out of 5 times 3 out of 4.
Yes, do it now.
Yes.
What was the question?
Next.
No, Miss Karen.
1 out of 5 times 3 out of 4.
Pardon? 1 out of 5 times 3 out of 4.
Done?
Yes. No.
Next. 3 out of 4 times 2/3. Next, 3 out of 5 times 6 out of 7. Four. 3 out of 4 times 5 out of 6. You may list down first, then you can do it. 3 out of 4 times 5 out of 6. Last number. 3 out of 8 times 1 out of 4. Five minutes for that.
Miss Karen, if there's anything I would have to make it 2 minutes.
ready your red pen.
Miss Karen, we need to circle our final answers.
Okay, number 1. Exchange your. Are you done, Jake? Come on. Those who are waiting, you make up your homework first.
Miss Karen, from the last day, so it was so I have to skip our page. Skip.
4 and 1 out of 12. Lana,
Oh, I'm too
there's a
early.
numbering, right?
4 and 1 out of 12.
Number 4. 5 and 1 out of 3, or 5 and 1/3. Number 5. 3 and 7 out of 10. 6. 2 and 7 out of 10. 7. 2 and 5 out of 6. 8. 6 and 1/3. 9. 2 and 4 out of 15. 10. 3 and 1/5. 11. 3 only. 12. 8 only.
Melly got one wrong. Just like you.
Three and
Oh,
one
and
wrong.
Melly got one wrong. I got all correct.
Sean, this is correct. You see, you're not listening.
Well, you said 2 and 14. 4 and
14 out of 15. Sean, you're not listening. Okay, next, the zip word.
Oh, the zip word extra.
Zip word. Number 1. What's the answer, Sean? 3 out of 20.
Wait, where is it, Jay? What is the zip word? Where is it? Where is the zip word?
Kagaya sa atin.
You want to
Meron sa kanya sa sabihin.
Next, number 2. 2/3.
1/3? 1 or 2? Yeah, 1 out of 2.
3 out of 4, right? Times 2/3. Wait.
You can also like divide by 6.
I know, it's 1 out of 2.
Yeah. Hurry up.
Next.
18 out of 35.
18 out of 35.
And 5 out of 8. Finally found it. 5 out of 8.
5 out of 8.
What?
Last one is,
18 out of 5.
what's number 5?
32.
3 out of 32.